Hi and welcome to our coding course. In this course, we will learn to code step by step and make mobile apps in Flutter. The first app we will make is an app for anime fans. This app is your personal ChatGPT companion, inspired by Naruto. Just type in any question you have, and Naruto will provide you with an answer. It's like having a conversation with Naruto himself, right on your mobile phone or any of your device. Need help with anything or a friend to talk to? Ask on the app you'll be creating. Get an easy to understand and friendly answer. Ask Naruto anything at any time, just like you would ask ChatGPT. Have a conversation with questions on things you're curious about and get a feel from the sensei Naruto answer you.